Hey, this is Jonathan with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, your roofing expert. Let's talk about metal roofs. What's the best metal roof you can buy? Well, a lot of that depends on where you're at and where you're located and what kind of roof you're looking for. So let me just put it this way. If you're living on the water next to salt water, a 24 gauge steel is not the roof to put on that house because that salt water over time can deteriorate the roof. And did you realize that the manufacturers do not give a warranty if you're within 1,500 feet of open seawater? Can you believe that? So what's the best roof there? Aluminum. Aluminum is the best with stainless steel screws and clips. Or if you put regular steel clips and screws on an aluminum roof, guess what happens? Metal allergy, and you begin to deteriorate, and the roof is going to come apart in years to come. It's important that you have the right people knowing what they're doing. If you're not on the water, there's 26 gauge steel. There's a thicker 24 gauge commercial steel roof. Standing seam would be your best option. They're a little bit cheaper than the aluminum, and they are very durable and they are very great. And here's the good thing about all of these types of roofs. We have over 30 colors to choose from, 30 colors. And we have it in 26 gauge steel, 24 gauge steel. We have it in aluminum. We have it in striated panels, straight panels, ribbed panels, pencil ribbed panels, standing seam, mechanically seamed. There's so many options with metal roofing that if you'll call us, we'll discuss what your best option is for where you're at, and we'll make sure that you get a premium quality roof that you won't have to worry about for many years to come. Here's the other great thing. All of our products are Kynar coated, K-Y-N-A-R. What's that mean? That means it's guaranteed not to fade or chalk or chip for 35 years. Can you believe that? That's why it's important to get the right contractor with the right materials, with the right installation. That's the only way to get a premium product in metal roofing. Call us today, 800-977-6638.